I will show you how to create a water wheel from household or common objects. Paterson was the first planned industrial city and major contributor to the American Industrial Revolution. The Society for Establishing Useful Manufacturers was a private corporation that encouraged industrial growth. They searched for a location to form an industrial city that had enough water for raceways to turn water wheels in order to power factories and mills, hence the Great Falls. With the vast amount of land and abundant water source, Paterson became an industrial dream. For this activity, you will need 1 wooden skewer, 8 index cards or playing cards, a pitcher of water, 2 paper or foam plate, a large plastic container, 2 long rulers or sticks, a stapler, and tape. First, you will poke a hole through the center of both plates. Next, with the cards horizontal, fold 8 cards vertically in thirds. Then you're going to staple the cards around one plate and staple them to the other. Insert the skewer through 2 holes in the plates. Next, you're going to rest the 2 long rulers vertically on the rim of the large plastic container. Then you're going to sit the water wheel on top of the rulers and tape down each side of the end of the skewer to the ruler. Lastly, you're going to pour the water onto the water wheel and watch it go. And there you have it. You just created your own water wheel. Ready for more fun? Come visit the Paterson Museum to explore our exhibit on the Society for Establishing Useful Manufacturers and discover more about Paterson, the first planned industrial city.